everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing pan fried fish. For that I have cleaned and washed this fish very well. These are fish fillets and I have taken cayenne pepper, which is over here, and some salt, a black pepper crusher. Now let's start with our recipe. Now I'm crushing some black pepper and putting some cayenne pepper on one of the sides, also sprinkling some salt. This is a very healthy recipe. You can have it in your lunch time or your dinner time. Now turning the sides of the fillets, and I have taken with skin on. And if you wish to see a salmon recipe, it's there on my channel and it is loved by many people and I've got really good comments over it. So it's a very nice and simple recipe. Do check that also. And sprinkling some cayenne pepper onto it. It will give a nice color to it. Now sprinkling some black pepper, rubbing the spices onto the fillets nicely. Rub it nicely. Turning the side, doing the same on the front side. You can use any fish that you like, cod livers or salmons, anything. There are numerous fish varieties that you can get. Now we'll marinate it for about 10 minutes and then we'll start with our cooking. The time fish is getting marinated, let's saute some of the veggies. So I'm using this extra virgin coconut oil for sauteing my veggies. I'll be using just 1 teaspoon of it because I'm using a non-stick pan. So I won't be using much of coconut oil. Now we'll wait till it gets heated. The oil is heated. Now dropping in some green beans, some bell pepper, capsicum and mushrooms. You can add other vegetables also as per your choice. Putting some black pepper powder onto the veggies. Mix everything well. You can add salt also at this time or any kind of seasoning if you like. Adding the seasoning, which is all purpose, a seasoned salt, little bit, not too much. So I'll be using this Italian herb mix, putting in about 1 tablespoon of it. It gives a very nice flavor to the sauteed vegetables, and we'll saute the vegetables for about 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. These are sauteed well, so I'm taking them out on a plate. So here are my sauteed veggies. Now let's cook the fish. It's been already 10 minutes. To the same pan, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil again. Not much oil is required to fry fish because fish has its own good amount of oil too. So now we'll wait till it gets heated. It is heated. Now let's put in the fish fillets. Press little bit from the top, not too hard, but very nicely and softly. And we'll wait till its bottom gets cooked nicely and becomes crunchy. You can do it on high flame. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes for fish to get cooked. It's so soft that it actually broke. 2 to 3 minutes. Let's turn the side of the fish. And it's cooked well. Cooking the other side. Fish is done. Now let's serve it. So here is our pan fried fish with the stir fried veggies. So I really hope that you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like to this video. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.